Girls, Mr. Wong here checking in with all of you. Hope all of you had a wonderful weekend. Hope you relaxed. Hope you took some time for yourself. And hope you enjoyed it. So we are back at it again with opinion writing. So last Friday, all of you should have written your introduction paragraph. If you don't remember writing your introduction paragraph, please go back to your Friday's assignment and start from there because you may not move on to the next part without a strong introduction paragraph. So, for those that don't remember, our introduction paragraph had four parts: a hook, lead, connecting sentence, and our topic, opinion, and three reasons. I also typed up my introduction paragraph over here, so you can refer back to this if you need to. So today we're going to move on to our body paragraphs, okay? So here's our learning goal for today. So our topic is still, we're doing an opinion writing essay. Our topic is, should sweets be banned from school parties? As all you are aware of, I am for team yes, we should not have sweets um, used for school parties and class celebrations and so on. So that's my opinion. Hopefully, you have your own. So our learning goal today is I could write a body paragraph using um, the Oreo strategy. The Oreo strategy includes a stated opinion, reason, examples, evidence, and a restated opinion. Okay. Now, a lot of you already learned how to do this previously from your other assignments. It's practically pretty much the same thing. However, we are writing three of them since we're writing a five paragraph essay. And since I told all of you to choose three different reasons to support your opinion. Okay. So I'm going to just go back to what the Oreo paragraph strategy looks like. So your body paragraph should start with a transition word. We're going to go over that in a bit. Then you're going to use your brainstorm and organize page and follow the Oreo strategy you've been learning to write a body paragraph. Now, the brainstorm and organize page should be in your writer's notebook. It's the one where I told you to draw this organizer, and I told you to state your opinion and include your three reasons supporting your opinion, and so writing your supporting details and examples. And the reason why I told all of you to do this first is because now when we do our body paragraphs, when we write them, it's going to be super easy because we're just going to plug in these into our body paragraph. Okay, so the Oreo strategy consists of four parts. Okay. Um, so the first part is the top of your Oreo cracker, Oreo cookie. Your first cookie um, is your opinion. So you're going to tell your reader what your feeling about this topic is. So you're going to say your reason again, okay? Because by the end of this, your reader's going to know where you stand because you're constantly repeating it, okay? The next part of your Oreo paragraph, you need to include your reason. Now, I know that in this anchor chart over here, it says tell some reasons. You're just going to tell one reason because you're going to write three complete Oreo paragraphs. Okay. And each one will contain one of your reasons. Okay. Examples. So give details to support your opinion. So this is the part where you have your supporting details and examples that you already brainstormed earlier on from the article that I told all of you to read. So you already have the examples and evidence part already written down. You just have to put them in complete sentences now. And the last part is you're going to close your Oreo cookie by including your opinion again, but you're going to say it in a different way. You're going to restate your opinion with feeling, meaning that you're really trying to convince your reader to believe in what you have to say. Okay, so that's what an Oreo paragraph looks like. If you need to refer back to this, please do so. All right. So I broke it down for myself, and you can also do the same in your writer's notebook. You don't have to, you can just type it if you prefer to do that. I broke it down over here for you to see what needs to be included. So, my transition word, opinion, stated opinion, reason, examples, evidence, and restated opinion. So, a transition word, boys and girls, I am pretty sure you know what this is, but sometimes we forget that they're called transition words. So, transition words are basically signal words that that help you begin a new paragraph. It's to let your reader know that, all right, we're going on, we're moving on to we're starting a new paragraph. So these are my transition words. Now, since we're doing 3 complete body paragraphs, we're doing one today. I would like for you to use one of these where we have a green light over here. That's how we start our body paragraphs. So I want you to choose one of these transition words to start. Tomorrow and Wednesday, we'll work on these, but we'll go back to those later, okay? All right. So transition word plus stated opinion. So boys and girls, I'm gonna go back to my brainstorm and organize page. I'm gonna look at reason one and my supporting details examples. So my reason one of why I believe that sweets should be banned from school parties and celebrations was fewer sweet treats will help improve the health of American kids. That was my first reason. So that's what I'm going to have to include here in a complete sentence. So I'm going to model for you how this is going to look like. So transition word I'm going to choose is going to be to begin with. It's pretty simple and I like the sound of it. Let me change my font to white so you can all see. All right, so remember to indent. Press tab. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's fine. Change the font color. No highlight. Okay, to begin with, let me space this out. I strongly believe that sweets should be banned from classroom celebrations and birthday parties. Now, boys and girls, your opinion statement over here is literally right over here. So you're just saying it again so you help your readers know that that's what you believe in. Because sometimes when you don't repeat what you truly believe in, your readers may forget the point of this essay. So your point is to help them realize, you want them to help them choose your side and agree with you, and agree with your stance and your opinion. Okay. So to begin with, I strongly believe that sweets should be banned from classroom celebrations and birthday parties. All right, I'm done with my O for my Oreo. The next one is my reason, my R. So my R, hold on. Let me just adjust this real quick. Is my reason. So one reason that, no, one reason I feel this way is that having fewer sweet treats in the classroom could help improve the health of American kids. So I already wrote that over here. That was from the text that after I read this, one of the reasons that I gained after reading this was that, hey, fewer treats would mean that we can improve the health of American kids. So that's my reason, okay? Simple as that. See, boys and girls, I really didn't have to do much because I already brainstormed. I have my opinion statement, I have my reason. Now I just have to include my supporting details and examples. And that's my um, evidence and examples. So I'm going to go back over here. Oh, this does not have to be indented. I apologize because this is all one big connecting paragraph. Okay. So my evidence and examples would be, for example, by not having these sweet treats available, kids at school will not have the opportunity to eat these treats that may harm their health. So that's one piece of evidence. I want to give more than one though, because that to me is not convincing enough. So I'm going to give them an example from the text because that will help my readers understand that this has been proven by researchers and by big companies like Scholastic. So We're trying to convince them by letting them know where we found the information from. Also, according to the article, should sweets be banned from school birthday parties? It mentions that 1/3 of American kids are overweight or obese. These health problems could be avoided if students weren't allowed to eat them for every birthday celebration at school. So, boys and girls, as you can see, your longest part of your Oreo strategy should definitely be the E, because you're using evidence to prove your answer. You're trying to prove your answer using proof, which is from our article and from our examples that we've come up with to support our reason. Okay? Now, restated opinion is basically you're just saying this part, the O part again, but in a different way. So I'm going to go change this to white. I'm going to say, all in all, this proves why schools should not allow sweets for birthday celebrations and in the classroom. So, boys and girls, I'm done. This is my OREO opinion body paragraph. Super simple, super easy. Okay. Now, I typed it up here. I'm going to just copy and paste it um, onto my Google Doc that I already started from last week. So, over here, my body paragraph, it's white. Change that to black. All right. Next part, my reasons. So these are not 4 different paragraphs. This is all one juicy paragraph. That's why I told you to indent just the first O in Oreo, because the rest of the information is used to support that opinion. Okay? And then change that to white. Change that to size 13. All right, boys and girls, this is my body paragraph number 1. So I have my transition word. I'm going to highlight yellow for all of you to refer back to. My opinion statement. This is what I believe in. I'm going to highlight that not light blue, cyan, I believe. Next one, my reason. I'm going to highlight that red. And then all my examples and evidence should be in orange. This is definitely going to be my longest part or my largest part, because you need a lot of proof and evidence to back up your opinion. Okay. And then the last one, I'm going to highlight this color again. So this is my body paragraph number 1. And remember, boys and girls, to use the Oreo strategy to help you. You've done this before, so this should be no problem for all of you. But if you need to refer to this, feel free to refer back to this poster, okay? And remember, all you need to do, boys and girls, look at your brainstorm and organize sheet, because this page has all you need to write your OREO. O-R-E-O. Okay? For Tuesday, we're going to do body paragraph 2 and then maybe body paragraph 3 if we have time. And then Wednesday, we're going to wrap it up with our conclusion. And that is all for today. Good luck, all of you. When you are done, if you can share the doc with me so I can take a look, I would love to read some of your writing pieces. And that is all. Hope you have a wonderful Monday.